Hello everyone, my name is Wendy and I am one of the bartenders here at Juliet Italian Kitchen, and it's patio season. So today I'm going to show you how to recreate one of our favorite and most popular cocktails, the Juliet Spritz. This is our version of a classic cocktail, the Aperol Spritz. So as you can see, I have everything I need. We start with the Aperol, which is a classic Italian aperitif. We have a sparkling dry rosé. We use fresh blueberries and fresh mint for our garnish. And here we like to serve this beauty in a Bordeaux wine glass. So to get started, you want to grab your Aperol and you're going to pour 1 ounce. Next, you're going to do 5 ounces of your sparkling dry rosé. Put it in there. And we like to add a little bit of ice because you want to serve this cocktail nice and cold. Grab a few of your blueberries, drop them right into the glass. Grab a nice little bunch of your mint. Now you want to give this mint a good smack. It's going to release the oils and that minty smell. Place that right on top. And then we suggest drinking this cocktail with a straw because not only is it going to allow you to taste all the flavors, you're going to get that minty aroma all at the same time. Well, there you have it, folks. That is the Juliet Spritz, and we'll see you on the patio. Ciao!